Powering daily rides with speed, comfort, and efficiency, modern e-bikes transform the way commuters travel through busy streets. Best electric bike for commuting blends long-range batteries, lightweight frames, and smooth pedal assist to deliver reliable performance, saving time, cutting costs, and making every workday journey easier and more enjoyable. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Jasion EB5 Electric Bike. The Jasion EB5 electric bike stands out as a practical and well-balanced option for daily commuting, offering a smart mix of power, comfort, and convenience for riders who want reliability without complexity. At the heart of the EB5 is a 350-watt motor with a 750-watt peak output that delivers smooth acceleration and a top speed of 20 mph, making it ideal for city streets, bike lanes, and suburban routes. The upgraded LCD display adds a premium touch, giving riders clear access to riding data such as speed, distance, and pedal assist levels, while the adjustable backlight ensures visibility in both bright sunlight and evening rides. One of the strongest advantages of this model is its removable 360 watt-hour battery, which provides an estimated range of 25 to 40 miles per charge, depending on terrain, rider weight, and assist level. The ability to remove the battery for charging at home or in the office adds everyday convenience and makes this bike well suited for commuters with limited garage space. Number 2. Gotrax 20 mph Electric Bike. The Gotrax 20 mph electric bike is a compact and versatile commuter solution designed for riders who value portability as much as performance. Powered by a 500-watt peak motor and paired with a 48-volt battery system, this e-bike reaches speeds of up to 20 miles per hour with confidence, making it well-suited for urban commuting, campus travel, and recreational rides through parks and neighborhoods. Its wide 20-inch by 2.6-inch tires provide a stable and comfortable ride across a variety of surfaces, absorbing road vibration and maintaining traction on uneven pavement. One of the defining features of this model is its foldable design, which allows the bike to collapse into a compact size that fits easily into car trunks, closets, or public transportation spaces. This makes it an ideal choice for riders with limited storage or those who combine biking with trains or buses. The smart display offers clear access to essential ride information, including speed, battery level, and assist mode, helping riders manage their trips more efficiently. Number 3. LELEKUAI 560-watt electric bike. The LELEKUAI 560-watt electric bike is designed for commuters who want higher speed potential and a compact, travel-friendly design without sacrificing safety or comfort. Equipped with a high-torque 560W motor, this e-bike delivers brisk acceleration and reaches top speeds of up to 24 mph, making it suitable for longer commutes and riders who prefer keeping pace with urban traffic. The removable lithium battery adds everyday practicality, allowing convenient indoor charging and reducing downtime between rides. With dependable battery capacity and efficient power delivery, the bike supports extended riding sessions that fit naturally into daily commuting routines. One of the strongest aspects of this model is its adaptable riding system, offering full electric mode, pedal assist, and traditional manual cycling. This flexibility lets riders conserve battery power when needed or enjoy a fully powered ride when tackling hills and longer distances. Safety is addressed through dual disc brakes that provide responsive stopping performance in a wide range of weather and traffic conditions, increasing rider confidence on busy streets. Number 4. Funhang 1000-watt electric bike. The Funhang 1000-watt electric bike delivers a robust and customizable riding experience, tailored for commuters who want strong performance and versatility across varying terrain. Featuring a 500-watt motor with an impressive 1,000-watt peak output, this e-bike reaches speeds of up to 21.7 miles per hour and provides confident acceleration for city streets, hills, and longer suburban routes. Its 48V removable lithium-ion battery offers an extended range of 25 to 50 miles per charge, making it well-suited for daily commuting without frequent recharging. The removable and lockable battery design adds convenience and security, allowing easy charging at home or work. Comfort and safety are emphasized through a front suspension system that smooths rough pavement and uneven surfaces, while full fenders protect against mud and water during wet rides. The LCD display provides real-time feedback on speed, battery life, distance, and assist levels, helping riders monitor performance throughout the journey. With 5 riding modes and 5 pedal assist levels, the Funhang allows extensive customization, whether you prefer full throttle riding, assisted pedaling, cruise mode, or standard cycling. The 21-speed gear system further enhances control, enabling smooth transitions between flat roads and inclines. Number 5. EcoE 6000-watt electric bike. The EcoE 6000-watt electric bike is a high-performance powerhouse designed for riders who want maximum speed, extended range, and all-terrain capability in a single commuter-ready platform. Featuring dual 6000W motors and a top speed that can reach up to 52 mph, this e-bike redefines what electric commuting can look like for experienced riders seeking rapid travel and exceptional power. Its 60V 32Ah removable battery provides outstanding range, delivering between 35 and 80 miles per charge, depending on riding mode, terrain, and load. This high-capacity system makes the EcoE suitable for long-distance commuting and extended daily travel with minimal charging interruptions. The full suspension frame and oversized 26 by 4-inch fat tires ensure excellent stability and comfort across pavement, gravel, sand, and rough surfaces, allowing smooth transitions between city roads and less developed paths. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.